All right, now that we've seen so many videos and learned the process of the Big 6, we're going to bring it all together and see, kind of put it all together and see what we've learned. So now that you've been working with me, the librarian, on the Big 6 research process, we will talk about all that you've learned about this process and where to go from here. So this lesson should have prepared you to now go ahead and work on your research project confidently and successfully to learn and share new information. So you will be leaving here with the handout. So this handout gives you the 6 steps on the front. The back will give you some resources to see if you need to go back and revisit some more information on the Big 6. It gives you some resources for that. So this lesson handout outlines the steps of the Big 6 for you and provides you with many resources and videos to check out to find out more. So in conclusion, let's look back at all the steps. Step 1, your task definition. You need to define what topic you want to learn more about and what exactly about that topic you want to dig deeper into. So in this step, you will make sure you understand where to look for your topic and if you'll be able to find enough information about it. Step 2 is information seeking. This step, you will list all possible sources you have available to gain more information on this topic. Do you have books on it, website, people to talk about it with, observations, and where else can you find information on this topic? Step 3 is location and access. So in this step, you will find the sources and find information within those sources. And how can you find information within those sources? We'll learn a little bit about that. How are you going to access that information once you get all those sources? What are you going to look for? Step 4, the use of information. During this stage, you will read, view, or listen to the sources. What information are you finding that is actually useful to your research? Is the information answering the questions you had? And what new information are you finding? And how can you understand it? So it's kind of, how are you going to use the information that you're finding? Very important step. Step 5 is synthesis. Now you're putting it all together. You've figured out your topic. You've found where you're going to find this information. You've located the information. You've pulled out what you think is useful to you. And now you need to put it all together to be able to share it with others. So, has the information you found answered all your questions? Are you ready to put it together to present your findings? So this is your synthesis step. You want to get it all ready to be able to share it with others, all this information that you found on your topic. And step 6, evaluation. So in the evaluation stage, you need to evaluate if you've completed what you needed to do for the project. Questions to ask in this stage: did you do everything you needed to do to complete the project? Did you do your best? Did you learn from your research? And can your project teach others about your topic? So I hope that's helpful for you. So in conclusion, now that you've heard all about the 6 steps of the Big 6 and how they can guide you through your next research project, you will use these steps for work in your classroom, from defining your topic all the way to evaluating how the process went. It is the hope of this lesson that you will seamlessly move through the 6 steps to a successful research project. Good luck and happy researching.